Meaning of grip.
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 Grip. The word grip generally means to securely hold or grasp something. This could refer to physically holding onto an object, or it could also describe a mental or emotional hold on a situation, person, or idea. When one has a good grip on something, they are in control and able to handle it effectively. However, if the grip is weak or lost, the object or situation may become difficult to manage. Overall, having a strong grip means having a firm hold on something, which can lead to success and stability in various areas of life.